Hello viewers, welcome to EQ International Magazine, India's oldest and leading solar media. And today we have Mr. Krishna Arjun with us from Select. A very warm welcome to EQ, sir.
Thank you, madam.
Sir, can you just let us know about Select, like how and when it came into the solar industry?
Coming to Swellet, I'll put first Swellet as solar, W as wind and electric. We are solar, wind, electric. That's the company. And we started way back we have 40 years of experience in power electronics. We started our journey with UPS manufacturing, and we exited the business and we started our solar module manufacturing, as well as we are into EPC, we are into IPP projects, yes.
If we talk about the REI 2024, so what are your product offerings, like what we can see, anything new launches or any plans for 2025?
So we have our manufacturing plant based out at Coimbatore. We are at 1 gigawatt of solar plant, where we manufacture both the PERC as well as TOPCon, and our offering is from straight away from 550 to 595 in PERC, and in TOPCon our offering are from 580 to 595, 630 watt peak in TOPCon, and in this REA we launched our TOPCon module which is 630 watt peak. Yes.
If we talk about the expansion plans, any like in domestic itself, or you planning for the export as well?
Yes, we have some bit of exports as well, but we are very bullish in India market. There's a lot of opportunities in India, so we are concentrating more on domestic market at this point of time.
So as you know, like there are a lot of challenges and opportunities as well we find in Indian solar market. So how it seems like to you?
Yes, there are challenges, but yes, we will overcome all that in our journey. The way we see around DCR and this tendering and all, it's adding up to around 100 giga with this year. So I think it's okay. It's a part of journey.
All the best for your future ahead. Thank you so much, sir, for being with us.
Thank you. Thank you.